everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little more organizing. I have one piece of furniture that's being delivered, my couch. Unfortunately, everything else I think is going to take a few more days to arrive, but I made sure to order the couch with like speedy delivery because it does not feel like a home without a couch, in my opinion. So we're waiting for that to come. It should be here in just a few minutes. They just texted me. And then here is the state of the rest of my house. So some stuff has been put away. Cleo is chilling. I have done a pretty good job on getting my closets organized. So this is like my coat closet, and then I have like comfy clothes down here, and then this is more of my actual like shirt closet. But you'll notice in the winter all I really wear is sweatshirts, so I don't really have any shirts. It's just like sweaters and sweatshirts, and then I have jeans down there. So that is what's going on over here. And then in my bathroom I have still yet to unpack most of my products. I've taken showers obviously here, so I do have some stuff down there. I would like to get some kind of shelf though, because it's not ideal just to have everything on the ground. In my old house I had like corner shelves, but oh my gosh you guys, it is so nice having like an actual bathroom shower, like an individual shower. I feel very westernized in here. Gosh, do you guys ever have a vision of something and then it comes together and you just feel so proud? So when I toured this apartment, I knew I wanted some kind of like flat sofa because the windows, as you can see, they're kind of low. So I feel like a higher sofa, you wouldn't really be able to appreciate the view as much. So I got this sofa. It's like a legless sofa, so it's just completely flat, and then it has this little piece right here that you can just move around. You can make it like a table, ottoman type of thing, or you can make it into an L. So here's the sofa. It came with these two pillows. I'll probably put a cover on the blue pillow. It's really nice to have some toss pillows on here already. Cleo likes it. It makes this place feel finally like an actual apartment. So I'm gonna let you guys know what else I ordered so you can kind of start picturing this in your head. I ordered a really big leaning mirror for right here. And when that comes, I feel like I should probably scoot the couch a little more over just so that there's more space. And then I ordered a really big, oh look at Cleo, she likes it. I ordered a really big fluffy rug just because it's winter and I want something to feel really cozy, and it's something I can actually put in the washing machine, which is great. Oh goodness, oh goodness. You like it? Look, Cleo, get up on there, get on this part. Ooh, oh Cleo, you like it. So yeah, here's my sofa. I got off coupon. And if you guys are wondering about the cost, you could probably find one of these used, honestly, for cheaper. But for new, I paid about $600 for this couch, which in my opinion is expensive. But considering it's like the main thing you see when you come in here, it was worth it to me. And I didn't have to buy a bed or anything like that when I moved here, so I had a little bit of extra money to be able to spend on furniture. All right, so if you guys remember when April reorganized my Busan house, I got a ton of these acrylic containers. And most of them were being used in my bathroom drawers, but since I no longer have that vanity area, I just have a ton of these acrylic containers. So I'm gonna try and use them to do some organizing. Just a couple maybe in this drawer. I don't really know what else I need these for. It's always good to have them on hand though. And I've also put some in my medicine cabinet, so I'll show you guys those later. Side note, Cleo is being so cute. Oh my god, this is adorable. Alright guys, I lied. I most definitely have a use for those acrylic containers because look at all this stuff. Like, this is all of my miscellaneous beauty stuff, and like you can't even see, there's so much stuff at the bottom. I did get rid of a lot of the stuff before I moved, but I guess I'm just gonna go through this box now and start setting it up in my beauty closet that I have right there. So there is no organization right now in here, but we have plenty of room. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves in here. Okay, I've done some more organizing. So in here I have products that I use. I actually just got this, so cap is still on. But this stuff I use every week, so I want to have it in close reach. And then I have hair stuff, and then just like deodorants, and then some more serums back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these up. And then this is like my travel bag that I keep all of my like travel containers and stuff like that when I travel. Alright guys, welcome to the bathroom. So I still have yet to unpack this bag of a bunch of stuff that I definitely use frequently enough to have it nearby. My only storage in here is this medicine cabinet, which surprisingly has quite a lot of room. So as you can tell, I've kind of put some stuff away. I love having my sheet masks in these acrylic containers. I haven't organized these yet though. And then I'm just keeping all of my like daily products in here, or stuff that I want to have really close by. And then I just put a few more things over here that need to be put up. But anyways, let's go ahead and start sorting through this bag. Then in here, I'm just gonna put my nightly and morning skincare products. I need to get some of them out of my bedroom. And I also have my perfumes. Okay, sheet masks are organized. I actually got rid of so many because I realized I had some that I've had for like a year. So I don't really know what the expiration is like on that. So all of these are new, ready to use. I'm not trying to have stuff in my house that I'm not going to use. So this is actually a soap that I made when I was in Cheongju. It's really cool. It's like made with a ton of natural ingredients, and I specifically saved these to have nice new soaps at my new house. I'm just gonna put that right on there. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I love it. And then the last thing to put away is just my floss. Right, next up are shoes. I managed to clean out so many of my shoes. I've never really been like a big shoe person. I'm pretty basic, so I don't have really any shoes to put away. I have like, I think 6 pairs. Okay, I was exactly right, just 2 of these shelves. I have 3 more pairs down there, but I usually just like keep those out so I can quickly slip them on. But yeah, I guess I have more space for shoes, but I'm not really a shoe person. Like I'm happy with my small collection. Guys, one of my favorite things about moving, and let me know if you can relate, but I feel like you're always so much more inspired to cook and eat healthy when you move. Is that just me? I don't know. So I didn't eat anything today, and it's already about 2. For the rest of my day, what I have going on is I'm gonna finish up my bedroom after I eat. But then tonight, it is actually Annie's birthday today, so I'm gonna go over to her house. We're just having like a girls' night sleepover. But anyways, for my super late lunch, I'm having this salad, and I just put like 1/4 of a chicken breast on top, and it also has ricotta cheese and a little bit of granola. And then I'm in a very pasta mood, so I'm cooking a little bit of bow tie pasta, and then I'm gonna put pesto on that along with half of an avocado. So yeah, nice big lunch. Yum, this looks delicious. And another thing I need to order is some kind of bench for right here. What do you guys would think would look better? Either like a long bench. It has to be a little higher though. It would have to be like probably right here, or should I do stools? All right, moving on to what's left of my unpacking. I have clothes. I have a lot of clothes. By the way, that is a bathroom mat that I was gonna get rid of. It's from my old house. I'm gonna tell you guys complete truth. That is something that Cleo likes to pee on if she feels nervous or something. If the weather is stormy, she immediately just goes onto that thing and pees on it. So I wanted to bring it here to this place so that she would know that this is home. Okay, I know, I mean, it's clean. I washed it and everything since the last time she peed on it, but that's why I just have that random mat right there. I'm planning on getting some kind of rug, or I already do have a rug that I might put under here. I'm just playing it out. I'm just filling it out for now. And then I have some more stuff over here that needs to be unpacked. But honestly, this is the rest of it. I just have a couple suitcases, a couple bags. So yeah, let's do this. So this bag actually has a lot of my spring stuff and then just some random stuff that I think I'm going to donate. So I'm making piles as far as stuff that I want to donate or hold onto for the spring. And then I also have bags in this pile. Oh my goodness, you guys, everything is unpacked. That is stuff that's going to the recycling and clothes donation, and in there I've just folded up all of my moving bags. So everything is unpacked except Cleo's clothes, and then here is my little bag closet. So I'm just gonna put these two bags up here. Love these little shelves. And then this is my suitcase that I use all the time for travel. So is this gonna fit? Can I fit it like this? Oh my goodness, whoever designed this apartment did such a good job, because I swear everything fits so well. I put my small suitcase right there, and then I ended up putting my larger suitcase just right there next to my jeans, and I have some hats down there. Oh my gosh, it's all unpacked. This feels so good. And I think for Cleo's clothes, they are gonna go right on this shelf, or oh, I could just put them in these drawers. I didn't even realize. Okay, for now I'm just gonna put them in the drawers, but I would like to get baskets for these shelves. I swear my dog has so many clothes, you guys. I'm just gonna put them all in. And I already put her spring and summer clothes away because obviously she's not gonna need those. And then I realized I never showed you guys this first closet. I just have a couple masks hung up, Cleo's leash, umbrella, some of Cleo's everyday clothes, my hat. I wear a hat every single time I take her out because it keeps my hair controlled if it's windy. And then this is just the same as my old apartment. I just have like my dog bag, sanitizer, masks, my shopping bags, and then those are all the coins that I need to take to the bank and exchange. found pomegranates at the store and they were so cheap, which makes me so excited. I don't know if it's like pomegranate season or what, but this is my snack, just apple and pomegranate seeds, and then add a little bit of lemon juice. So delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys. So Mehdi actually helped me order my sofa. He ordered it off his account and he shipped it here. And I just got a package in the mail and I opened it and I was like, I didn't order this. And then I was like, oh, Mehdi must have accidentally ordered this to my house. He meant to order it to his house. So I texted him, I was like, hey, like I accidentally got one of your packages. And he was like, no, it's a housewarming gift for you, which is so freaking sweet. Mehdi, thank you so much. You guys go subscribe to him, show him some love. So I literally took a quick peek and I think it's like a faux plant. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. He knows me. Okay, wait, I gotta put it together. All right guys, so it is almost 9 o'clock. I am currently in my pajamas. I actually got these pajamas from Emart. I didn't even know Fila made pajamas, but they're so cute and soft. I'm excited to wear these this winter. But I'm going over to one of my best friend's house, Annie. It's so exciting because she literally lives one subway stop away from me, which if you are in Seoul or if you've been to Seoul, you would know that it's a pretty huge city. So living only one subway stop away from one of my really good friends is exciting. But yeah, it's her birthday. She's having a mini PJ get together just because of COVID and everything. I think there's just gonna be 3 or 4 of us there, keeping it really small. My friend Ashley and I, we went in on a cake for her and this thing looks so delicious. So I gotta remember to bring this. I also got some champagne. I'm gonna bring the pomegranate to put in the champagne because it's so good. And Miss Cleo is going to be coming along too. So yeah, I'm just gathering everything together and then I'm going to head over there.